Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a Crying Obsidian in Minecraft. For that, you just need a bucket of water. Let's take a bucket of water and you need some obsidian. You need 4 obsidian. After that, we go to crafting table. Oh, I took only 1 obsidian. I need much more, 4 to be precise. And we just put obsidian that way and water bucket in the middle. And as you can see, I got 4 Crying Obsidian. And you may ask, how did you actually craft this item, because you cannot craft a Crying Obsidian in vanilla Minecraft. So how did I do it? The thing is, guys, I'm using a data pack. You can download this data pack in my Telegram. I give you a link in the description to this post. You just click download data pack and you save it on your PC in any folder you want, and after that you install it to your Minecraft world. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.